Hey guys, you might remember Lewis from last time.
How's it going, guys?
Doing all right, buddy?
Yeah, man, I'm doing awesome.
Good deal.
How are you doing?
I'm doing excellent, man. Lots of really neat things developed in my life in the recent months, but man, this house is cool.
It is, isn't it? It really is something else. It was built back in the late 1800s.
Yeah.
It's been abandoned for the past couple years now. Spoke to the property owner, and he said that it's owned by a company down in Miami now. So he said, go explore it while you can, because we really don't know how much longer it's going to be here.
Check that out, that's pretty amazing. This is just like my yard. So we're gonna save the best for last. I'm gonna go to some of these little outbuildings here first. Whoa. Yeah, look at all the stone base that it has on there. That's cool.
See, back in the day, they would put little unique features like that would give it character.
Sure, yeah.
We did capture the inside here. Watch yourself. Be careful of the nails too. You don't want to get poked by a rusty nail.
Yeah, this is a cool building here. Look at all this old stuff.
Yes, sir.
A little tackle box. Let's see what we got in here. Nothing. Still cool
Looks like
box
an old
though.
tackle box.
Yeah. Very interesting old artifacts. Lots of tools and stuff. Lots of cool things to look at. None of it belongs to me, so it all stays here. That's one of my rules. If it's not mine, it stays behind. Hey, look at these old jugs, man. Here's a twist off.
Pretty neat. Looks
Yeah.
like it's at least 40 years old, maybe.
At least. Coffee cup here.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's not printed. I was hoping it was gonna have a print on it. Little milk bottle. Deposit bottle, dude.
Nice.
Right on.
Looks like a pretty old saw.
Oh, I found the murder weapon. It's rusty old knife. How creepy is that, huh?
Yeah, right. And it still works too.
Yeah, I like this. This is cool. I wonder what that went to. Maybe some people in the comments can tell me what type of vehicle this went to. Man, I got lizards on this thing, bugs of all kinds on this thing. A lot of lizards on it though. I'm surprised. Gross, man.
That is gross.
That's kind of mean.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool old building, man. Whoever originally built it had a lot of plans for that place.
Watch your footing here. There's a lot of crap.
So it's time for the big house now?
Yeah, let's go check it out.
All right, cool. Spooky looking like that, sticking up out of the woods like that.
Yeah.
I like it.
Take a look at this old beauty here. Built in the late 1800s. Still standing solid and proud.
Yeah. It's actually really beautiful, very aesthetic.
Welcome to the adventure, everyone. I'm out here with my buddy Jungle Jay, and we're exploring this old homestead in Sumpter County. Really cool structure.
Yeah, a lot of people really try to hang on to these old homes like this and keep them alive for years to come. You can even see that there's been some modern, you know,
some updates.
Yes, thank you.
Yep.
And what happens is they just find that it gets too expensive, or you know, today's cost of living is really harsh. Trying to keep the holes patched, to keep the animals out and things like that gets to be a bit expensive. So wow, this was a huge living room. Dude, I love that. That's cool. That is very retro. Check that out. That's some serious 60s stuff right there.
Perfume bottle.
Yeah, it must be. Look at that. That's really cool. That's nice. There's another one here. Got a big hole in it. Careful if you pick it up. I like those though. That's very lovely. Let's see what type of records we got. We got Rigoletto. Check them out. Hey. He's got loads of classicals in here. Tchaikovsky. Hawaiian Paradise. Check that out. It's only costed him $1. A lot of dust on it though, so let's be careful. The history of great mixing. And this has been laying here for a while, it seems like. Look at there. So this is how I picked it up. You see it's been laying here for quite some time here. This line, and when you pick it up, unfaded.
Oh yeah, I see that.
Strauss's greatest waltzes, like Blue Danube, and the what's the other one they did? There's the Blue Danube. That's Swan Lake. This fireplace is the bomb, man. This is killer.
You can see how they really paid very close attention to detail when they were building them.
Laundry. Man, this guy was a record-keeping fool. He kept records on his laundry.
That must have been his dirty laundry.
Stuff hidden in the back here. Let's see what this ledger is all about here. Checks written. Yep. Wow. 168. 46. 180. Wow. Very organized dude in 1998. This is basically a year after I moved here. Let's see what he was doing the year I did move here. This guy was very organized. Sometimes people
got everything in order.
Laundry again. How many times he's watched his whatevers, his unmentionables. I noticed that there's a lot of newspapers here, and I saw some back there that's some very modern vehicles on it, so that couldn't have been too old.
Let's take a look at the kitchen.
Nancy Reagan, Daily Sun. Look at this.
Yep, that's the Village's Daily Sun.
All right, yeah, sure is. Monday, March 7th, 2016. Not that old. I guess they're remembering Nancy Reagan. Oh yeah, that's right. She died in that year. Okay. 2016. So you think the floorboards upstairs are strong enough to hold us?
Oh yeah,
okay.
Definitely. It's solid wood. Updated kitchen, it looks like.
The most social room in the house.
Yeah. Maybe these are the original cabinets. I don't know. They could be 50s.
They could be. Canned goods. This is a post-apocalyptic environment. You can have yourself some chili beans here. Some pumpkin pie filling. Everybody loves pumpkin spice, don't they? Wild blend rice. We're ready to roll with this stuff. Olive oil, that would still be good as long as, yeah, it's still.
You can see the chunks floating around in there.
Yeah, it'll probably still be good. The house isn't like filthy or anything. It's actually looked like it had been lived in up until like the last minute. They said, you know what, I'm moving out. I can't take these leaks anymore. So it's not horrible. I've been in worse buildings. Jacko Lantern. Yes. That's awesome.
Yeah, that's cool. Well, you ready to go upstairs?
I am.
Watch your step there.
A little tall for this section here. Be careful, some of these stairs might be a little... Ooh. Test it before you put your full weight on it. Need some shoes, man? We got some nice beetle boots going on right here.
Yeah, I see that. There's a lot of stuff that was left here.
They got some nice books in here too. And we have Lakeola here. We have one of the original owners or friends of the house here. There he goes on the left there. Yeah, this is where it's at right there. There's 2 of them here, I think. Proud of that truck. Yep, definitely proud of that truck. This is what this house looked like before the property got overgrown on it. That is wild.
Still looks the same on the outside for the most part.
Yeah, except for all the plants that take over. You can just jump right out this window to escape, go right to the roof, slide down, get to the car, take off like Batman. I wonder if that was a very squeaky bed.
This room over here. This one. This is where the servant must have stayed, and she was Native American. There's a picture of her right here.
So you're saying at one point this is the room that she stayed in? Most likely?
Most likely because before, I mean, it's changed a little bit since the last time I've been here, but before, her bed had a bunch of Native American different like design colors and stuff and tribal design on there. And so there was stuff in here that hinted to that.
Check it out.
What do they call those? Moccasins?
Yeah.
Yeah.
These are more modern. They're probably Minnetonka moccasins, but they are nice, except for this big hole in it right here. I guess animals have been gnawing on it, but no, those were once very nice moccasins. More books. More books. This is an interesting book right here. Check that out. That's awesome. About Lewis and Clark. It's Stratford upon Avon, isn't it?
Good British accent.
That's apparently where Shakespeare was from.
Yeah.
Cheat death with vinegar. Yeah, duct tape and a really bad attitude.
Awesome.
I doubt that. Oh, another closet here. Cool old blue jacket here. A Woolrich. Interesting jacket here. A couple of printed t-shirts here. Nature Wins series. I don't know what that is. What is it? Suwannee Case Company. That's a cool shirt. Look at that design there. This is bark louder. Look at that alligator dog barking while an alligator's climbing over the fence. Now that's a cool shirt. Cool. We got another room in here. I spotted the regalia like right away.
American Indian calendar.
That's what this is.
Very interesting find right there.
Getting out of outdoor trouble.
Fort Sumpter. So this is pretty much like their attic right here.
There's a piece of candy on the floor right there. You can go for it. Try it.
I'm good.
Oh, go ahead.
I think I'll pass. Good view of the yard. That window.
We have a console here. Dashboard console here. Let's see what this is. We got. Now maybe it was a Chevy.
Yeah.
In the comments, let us know what you guys think it is.
This is one of the most interesting homesteads I've been in.
Hey, this is cool. Check this out, man. What?
The Constitution.
Holy smokes! I'm starting to feel a little bit like Nick Cage. Careful now.
Yeah, be careful because these steps are, it's kind of narrow coming down here and the steps are small, so.
Cool old homestead right here. That's all right. All right, we're gonna go see the next one.
Yep, we're gonna go take a look at the next homestead. This is just one of many that we'll be checking out today.
So that's it for the first house. I mean, look at this thing. This is just absolutely brilliant. You know, some of these old homes like this. I know recently I went out to like a museum park, and it was yeah, it was interesting and everything. It's nice that they restored all that stuff, but it's like sometimes you really got to get into the nitty-gritty to really see how some of these houses were before, let's say, Fort Christmas would pull it out and then put them on their property there. But that's an Orange County thing. Well, we're in Sumpter County now, so. But yeah. Oh, great big old oak trees up here. Old growth. All right, Lewis, you ready to get into that other place?
Yeah, this was just such a beautiful piece of property to come explore today, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's a good segue into today's adventure. Awesome. Let's do it.
All right, let's head to the next one.